Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. This is the brow lesson. The product I'm using is the Bestie Triangle Tip Brow Pencil in medium brown from TheBoldLipstick. It has a brush because the first thing you have to do is brush up all your eyebrows. She's got into my head, my thoughts a bit around her way. Then take measures. So follow the line of the side of the nose and then the center of your eye and then the end of your eye and of your nose. Okay, start drawing and remember to follow your natural lines. Try to choose the perfect color for your brows. It has to be the same color, maybe not darker than your own color, and then start drawing. Remember to brush the brows after you put the color. My heart is gonna burn. The things that you show, Lord, lead me to church. I'm fucking up her makeup. This is the final result. Perfect brows. As perfect as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.